Alors le format, 1 minute pour présenter son projet. Vous dites qu'est-ce que vous faites, avec qui vous êtes, tout l'équipe vient, et celui qui parle prend la télé sur la tête.
Bon bah nous on fait un service pour Dabla.
Un pack de services.
Un pack de services, exactement. Donc on va vous fournir un petit peu tout ce que vous voulez savoir dans votre conversation au fil de l'eau. Donc vous voulez aller avec vos amis ou d'autres.
En fait, vous êtes avec votre groupe d'amis sur Dabla, donc on échange des données, on parle, on discute, mais on a besoin d'une information. Et le souci, c'est qu'on ne veut pas sortir de Dabla. On veut rester connecté au service et pouvoir avoir notre réponse. Donc on fait appel à la requête au bot, par exemple @adresse, café de la paix à Paris, et on reçoit l'adresse, et tout le monde, tous nos amis reçoivent qui sont aussi connectés sur Dabla. Sans sortir du service Dabla. Et donc voilà, c'est un ensemble d'API,
un ensemble de bots qui peuvent,
très bien,
qui peuvent se rajouter en fait petit à petit au service Dabla.
Voilà, donc par exemple, même façon, vous êtes avec vos potes, vous voulez trouver la météo du jour parce que vous avez une sortie, vous allez pouvoir rester dans Dabla et savoir quelle est la météo à Strasbourg aujourd'hui, demain, etc.
Météo Strasbourg.
Voilà, c'est ça le service.
Cool.
So we together, me, Morgan and Julian here, are going to build a game based on Dabla and Skerou. So the thing is that first you speak with the bot to add the user in Dabla, so we get the information from Skerou. Then we try to, with all the information, we try to mix and everything, and try to do some statistic on it, and then you can ask the bot to ask a question on your chat room, and the first one who answers right will got some point or a defeat we can do maybe. So this is a game based on the data of Skerou. So it's a mashup with Dabla and Skerou. That's it.
Great.
Cool.
With me right now because I finally decided to do a little thing. I'm building a service with Dabla. Definitely Dabla is the cool thing to develop right now, it seems. The thing I'm doing is I develop a bot which is called AmISecure. You send a message to AmISecure and he says, oh, you have to give me your email or phone number. Then you do AmISecure field@p1sec.com, for example. And then you will receive a mail which basically is going to test your browser in your mobile phone. So it's going to test if your mobile phone is secure. So you will receive something that even possibly could detect if you have vulnerabilities in your mobile phone. So I'm using P1 Security API to do that. So basically it's Dabla plus P1 Security that will tell you if you can receive virus to your mobile phone or not. And will tell you with a happy smile or with a dead face.
Thank you. It's really hard to enter in the TV, but what we are trying to achieve is to build a smart fridge. So a smart fridge is a fridge where when you buy some groceries, you scan your receipt, and then it lists everything you bought. And when you get an item out of your fridge, it removes it from the list, so you always know what you have in your fridge from a web page, and then you can order automatically some new stuff when you reach security stock. Like for example, you have only 10 beers left, so then it's gonna order the beers that you need. And so that's a mashup between Skerou API and Moodstocks API. Well, and we hope to manage to do this, but it's not sure.
Cool.
Yes, it's sure.
I want to use Itipc Magic to be a multi-API provider. So I can use my technology to display on any website, on any product on the website, provision from Beansight, or some semantic information for Messagraph, and maybe Dabla conversation about the product. So you have a small icon near the image of a product on the website, your website maybe, any website, and you click and you see if you want a Messagraph information, provision about this product.
So we're going to build a nice tool. There are going to be 2 iterations. The first one is going to be pretty simple. It's just going to be a web service that's going to, thanks to Messagraph. So you're just going to input your Twitter username. Thanks to Messagraph, we're going to get a list of the topics you're interested in. And then from that, we're going to fetch the Beansight predictions on those topics. So that's the first iteration. That's pretty simple, but the second one should be way cooler. I'm just going to let Pierre talk about it.
So actually, I'm not much of a web developer, so I prefer when I can solder stuff. And so since our interface is very simple, I think at some point we're going to try to use the Arduino platform to make a box with a speaker that's going to read predictions selected from Beansight aloud.
And then on the object, you're going to be able to upvote or downvote with just 2 simple patterns. You're going to be able to upvote or downvote the prediction, and the information is going to be sent back to Beansight, hopefully.
Cool, thank you.
Hello. So, I'm building an augmented reality Conforama catalog. So the principle is you get your Conforama catalog, I'm not an affiliate or anything, from the post, then you have a marker, an augmented reality marker inside, which is just a page of the catalog. You put it anywhere, so if you want a new fridge, you put it at the place where you want to put the fridge, or the place where you want to put your new TV, and you look through your smartphone to the marker, and you will see your new TV, or your new fridge, or your new painting directly on your living room. That's all. Augmented Dev.
To build a boat to send Beansight predictions on Dabla, but I'm not really a kind of developer, so I had Jeremy to set up all the things on Dabla, and I have GB doing all the stuff on Beansight. So it's actually quite working right now. So yeah, that's our manager's code. Cool. So thank you guys.
So I am building an application based on your latest. I'm building a store. This store will provide you deals according to the position where you checked in Foursquare, and according to your topics of interest. So I am using the Foursquare API, the Messagraph API, and the MultiAPI API. That's it.
Wow.
Trying to build a simple WordPress plugin for Beansight. So it's a plugin that will make WordPress user able to include in each article kind of Beansight widget. So it will be useful on a blog like MacRumor when they have a post talking about the release of iPhone 5. They could include a widget at the bottom of their post to indicate to use Beansight data about the rumor about the iPhone 5 or things. And so this widget will be another entry point for Beansight. So because every reader of every blog using this widget could upvote or downvote every insight. That's it.
Cool.
En français, tous les jours, mais il est très difficile, so I speak English. Okay, I'm going to. I mean, I'm alone now, but I'm going to develop some kind of real-time tour guide. Of course, most of us have this kind of experience in a museum that when we look into a picture such as the Mona Lisa, and we can listen to the radio introduction about this picture, and we can get information about this picture. For example, the history, the background stories, the culture, and we can get everything from it. So it's amazing that we can do these things together, not separately. So can we still have this kind of experience outside of the museum? We have a smartphone, So the smartphone knows where we are, knows the location, our location. For example, if we visit the Tower of Eiffel, and I want to know something, some background, some interesting story about this tower, so the application is going to push that interesting information to my smartphone, and I can get the text, the picture, and audio or even videos about this tower. And this is kind of application of the first version. And the second version is that we know that you are visiting this kind of area, and we're going to use the APIs from the to show you the deals that around you, and to recommend some restaurants or maybe coffee shops for you. Thank you.
So we're building City Express. So basically it's a urban game that's going to leverage both the Dabla and Moodstocks APIs. It's like Peking Express, for those who know it. It's very easy. There are a bunch of players, and you have to check in on physical stuff around the city, say street art or whatever. And you have a Dabla bot telling you what you have to check in. And then you have to be among the first players to check in. And at each round, you'll have a new object to check in, and you're going to be evicted if you're not among the players.
Le micro,
fais le son.
Il est là.
Ouais, fais le son.
Fais le son.
Mais tu le fais bien fort.
Ouais. So that's it, basically.